everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a living room update. I just did a pink and white, gold and silver. Now I'm going to finish up with my living area. Add my TV, my TV stand and everything. Guys, this new year I'm going to change everything. I'm on fire. If you guys look behind me right there, I already moved my wall art. So I love this wall art. I'm going to use it to keep it till Valentine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this table that I had from the entryway. I'm going to replace it to another table, to another sideboard. And as you can see, the entryway is a mess right now, so bear with me guys. I'm going to remove this lamp, and I already put my wall art. I love this wall art guys. You know, I always move my things, I will move my stuff just to spice it up, to change things, I just change everything. I don't like to be too boring. Okay guys, if you want to see everything, keep on watching. This is the way the place was. As you can see, I'm going to remove my sideboard to put it in the entryway. And this is the empty spot that I have. Remember, this video is on how to maximize a small space. And the video is in collaboration with Yitahome. They sent me this TV stand. As you can see on the box and how everything is as the process, my son put it together for me. And guys, if you're on a budget, it's a best way to decorate your home without breaking the bank. As you can see, the TV stand is modern and the color is very nice. You can change it as you please. And me, I like it to the side. I just leave it to the side. And guys, if you don't like mine, you can always head to the website. They have a variety of styles and colors to choose from. Okay guys, let's go back decorate the apartment and keep on watching. I really love to go wow in my entryway. So today I decided to do a huge floor arrangement. And guys, I moved my sideboard and I'm cleaning it right now so I can do my floor arrangement. My ginger jars are from Home Goods and my flowers from everywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, I think some of them from Amazon. Wherever they sell flowers, you're going to find me. Because I love flowers guys. Today I'm going to do a huge floor arrangement guys. It's gonna be a lot of flowers, a lot of flowers. And as you can see, I'm putting my feelers right now. I really love to make my floor arrangement. And like that I can remove them, redo them, and just as I please. I just love it. I love flowers, so I always love to do my thing like that. As you can see, I went to Hobby Lobby. I get me a lot of fillers. They were like 90% off and I bought a lot of them. I picked up 20 of them. They were 60 cents a piece. So guys, I needed to add in my floor arrangement. If you they're supposed to be for Christmas. However, the way the picks are, you can use them year round. I'm going to use them year round, so it's the best way for me to save money. Okay guys, make sure to watch the video till the end so you can see the final result. Okay, keep on watching.
Look in your eyes, I can see a life together, standing by you, and I think I want to forever. And after all that's come and gone through all the years, I can't believe.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, if you're gonna decorate for Valentine, this one is a great idea on how you can decorate your home without overdo. If you like neutral, if you don't like too much color, this one, it's a good way to decorate for Valentine as well. If you made it that far to this video, thank you so much. And I'll always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching.
Take my hand, there's 1,000 first dances for us, in an endless sky, being lit by the fire of our love. And after all is come and gone.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, guys. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si c'est la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue. Non, moi c'est Merci, s'il vous plaît. Pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime décorer quand moi après Christmas. Et si c'est la première fois, tout, moi dis merci un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi j'aime nous. Okay guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!